Tapescript 3.8.4.
You don't look too good, Bissett. I heard your team lost the football match 5-1.
I know, it was a bad game. Too many of the players aren't fit enough. That's why they beat us easily. And I didn't go to bed until midnight the night before the game.
Wow, that doesn't sound good. 12 hours sleep is too much, but 5 or 6 hours sleep isn't enough. If you keep going to bed late, you will feel tired all the time. What were you doing on the night before the game?
I was chatting with the other players on Facebook for 5 hours.
Oh, Bissett, 5 hours is too many. 1 hour a night is enough. You won't have enough time to do your homework if you spend too much time on Facebook. Did you do your homework?
No, I didn't. I didn't have enough time.
You will get into trouble if you don't do your homework. If you get into trouble at school, your father will get angry. Have you eaten breakfast today?
No, I haven't. I was late for school. I had too many jobs to do, so I didn't have enough time for breakfast.
If you don't eat your breakfast, you will feel tired all day. If you feel tired, you won't be able to focus on what the teacher says. You watch too much television, and you don't spend enough time studying. It's also important to eat healthily. If you eat enough good food, you will feel healthier. You should listen to your football coach. He recommended some good ways to improve your lifestyle. If you listen to your coach, you will soon feel better. What did he say to you?
He said I eat too many hamburgers, and that's why I don't have enough energy. I don't eat enough fruit and vegetables. He said I drink too many sodas and I don't drink enough water. That's why I dehydrate so fast during the game. Fast food isn't very nutritious. He also said if I don't do more exercise, I won't be fit enough to play football. Just walking to school is not enough exercise. I need to do more exercise.
Facebook is okay if you look at it for a short time. If you look at Facebook too much, you won't have enough time to do anything else. We have great food in Cambodia, fresh vegetables, full of nutritious vitamins. It's not enough just to eat one banana. You need to change your diet and your lifestyle.
Trouble. Trouble.
Dehydrate. Dehydrate.
Diet. Diet.
Nutritious. Nutritious.